There, hello. Hello, ghost. Let me just get some water. There we go. There we go. I got some fresh water right here to keep me hydrated while we model this springlock. So currently this is what we got, and now it's time to add the winding mechanism, because I've got everything else ready. Let's see, can I select everything? There we go. So this is how it will look fully retracted. It's going pretty good. And it's going pretty good. Played some games, you know. I also eaten some pizza today, which is very good. Very yummers. And I have been wanting to start working on this thing for a while. I think I haven't done it in like 3 days or something. But I do have it mostly 3D printed on the side here. Let me just pull up the camera. Pull up where's it? Here. Here's how it is right now. You can see it does have the end on the inside. Okay, you guys might not be able to hear me right now, but it can extract like this, you know, or contract, and then this endo will be able to pull up like this, and then you'll be able to fit your arm in this space. And obviously it can fail, but it doesn't have the winding and locking mechanism yet, so it's just friction. But that's why I got this. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a really long wire, which I'll be using for the winding mechanism, and it's really easy to bend. That's gonna be real good for the winch, and I think it's also gonna be real strong. But the only problem I remember was that all of this is a bit unnecessary, because I will have to have the winding mechanism on the middle, because the wire is gonna go through these two holes, and I also gotta fix that somehow. But so I will have a ring on the middle. I'll have like 2 rings, because on the middle I have like some kind of bearing, so there's not a lot of friction between the body and the wire. Well, let me go back to where did it, oh wait, is it like here? Wait, oh, I never made it a body, or like I never made it join. So let's, I can just, so I can I select this body, then where's, it's that, can I like just, no, I cannot drag it on top. Okay, so I'll have to add a box on top of it. Again, like that, look at this, we'll make it join, so because it's between it, it'll make this part and this part helping, so we can, okay, wait, which, oh, I forgot. Okay, wait, we're going a bit too long. There we go. So we'll try this again. We'll add a box over here. And also we've got to hide that body, because or else this is also gonna join together. So now we have, okay. Oh, it's called body 2 now, okay. But then we'll extrude this by negative 0.5. See, it'll cut. Now this whole thing will be a whole piece. So basically, if we go all the way to the end right here, it's fixed, because you can see a bit on this. Wait, hold on, let me see if you can see this. But over here, it's hard to see, but you can see that the part is all the way down here, and it's supposed to be all the way up here. That's because of that little fail in here, so I'm gonna have to reprint that part, and I'm also gonna change a bit on this part in the middle, because apparently the Okay, let me hide everything else also. This part is apparently too small. No, too big. That's what she said. But we're gonna try and... Okay, wait, maybe not that. Here's 0.1, 0.2. I think that's enough. Guess if we then show everything again, yeah, it's a huge difference, but it's good. Because like it was very difficult to sand this, the part on this, and I don't want to have to do that again. So yeah, we also got to hide these now, because now we've got to make the new ring. So I'm gonna make a little like plan of how I'm gonna make it again, like I usually do, just to make sure I got an idea what I'm doing. So this is the ring, then we get this, so this will be like the space between it. And I'm wondering, do we have screws that goes through it? Because like it feels it will weight a lot. Let me just take a look at my screws over here. All right, let me take a look here. So I'm gonna take this again. I mean, yeah, I think a screw would be good. Actually, let me go up and get what's called. I don't know. I'm gonna weight this screw to see how much it weighs. So be back. There I'm back. So the screws weighs less than 1 gram, so I don't think it will be no problem. But what probably will be is the friction between the bearing and the screw. I don't know what it's called. I think it's like called pulley. Yeah. Pulley is a wheel that carries flexible rope, cord, cable. Yeah, we're gonna use kind of like the wheel on a pulley. So to put that over there. Okay, this cable is stuck on some tape, and it's from a fan motor. Don't worry, I did not spend it with my real money. So yeah, let's put that over there, and let's keep trying this. Okay, wait, no. See, so this will be that, but I'm thinking that I'm also gonna have like be a bit inwards, so it holds the cable in place. But I don't think it needs to be that big really, because the cable is super small. I think it's like 7 millimeters thick. So let's try. Okay, can that please not? Let's see. So this should be, yeah, 0.75 millimeters. But it still doesn't change how long it has to be, and it's really long, I would say. Let's see, how long is it actually? Should be long enough. Let's see. It's about, okay, can you please still, yeah, it's about what's it called? It's about like 1 meter long. So that's pretty good. I'm pretty sure that's gonna work for the spring lock mounting mechanism. So, oh yeah, plus. Well, I'm gonna, okay, wait. I'm gonna have, maybe not that big, but I'll have these 2 parts. Okay, I'm not good at that. Well, I have these two to hold these 2 holes. Oh wait, oh my god, I'm so stupid. Once again, I'm not showing my screen. Oh my god. But so this part right here will then replace these two, because we just have a ring in the middle and then have it go up and down like that, which makes me also think that I should make it 2 separate pieces, because then I can just free print both same time. Like, it will be basically what's it called, identical, and would need otherwise a lot of support if it was a whole model, because you see we can then attach everything with screws later. And I think I'm just gonna use screws and some additive plastic between to keep the distance like it should be. But enough talking, and let's start modeling. So let's start out with a top right here. Okay, so where's the middle? It's over here. So Oh, you're right. Well, this won't really work, right? Because of these parts over here. I am gonna make it this big, but I think we're gonna have to cut off some parts here in it, which, yes, that probably does mean that I'll have to reprint one of these. Let me just think a bit, because the yeah, wait, the top of the screw is also gonna be there, so we're gonna have to take that away from the hmm wait, hold on, more tinkering, I guess. So let me check something. So the distance between here and there. Okay, what? Okay, why? There we go. 3.5. Let me get the screw I use for it. Take a look here. Is it this screw? Or is it this one? It's 100% this one, and this one has a... Wait, did I put it back? Oh, how can I be so stupid? I'm supposed to use it again. Anyway, so... Yeah, it's 3.5. Like, 3 point... Yeah, it's basically 3, so... A half of that could be taken away. Or... Okay, no, that's gonna be really hard. I'm thinking that we have the screw coming from the inside. But first of all, that will make it hard to screw in. Plus, it's just gonna need a hell of a lot more modeling, which I don't really want to do. So, let me just think. Hmm. Like, I can make it bigger, but like that would just make the shell also bigger, and that would just make this whole thing chunky, and we don't want that. So let's see if we... Let's just measure this. So it's approximately like over here to there. We take away 4 millimeters. Okay. You know what? I actually got an idea. So maybe. Okay, wait. I didn't even. Wait, might have some hope. I didn't even do it right. So we want the thickness about like 7.5. Actually, no. 5. I think 5 is good enough. So let's try again to guess how much it would ship off. I'll like over there to there. 3.7, which is better, but still like deletes everything. So let me also just take a look here. So here's the thing. Okay, wait, I could actually, I think we're gonna go by that. So right here, this is where the ring for the spring would be. Oops. So I mean, we could have it directly on it. I just have to take the spring that I'm gonna use. Let's see if that's gonna work. That's gonna work. Let me just go. What the? I don't know where it is, but I'm gonna guess it's like around over here. So okay, I'm gonna say it's all right. So let's actually model this and then try to fix that issue. So first of all, the winding mechanism. So let's see here. So on this line, let's see how big would this be? 5 millimeters. Okay, I also gotta check how big 5 millimeters is. 5 millimeters is pretty good. Let's just see. This is what I'm gonna use. Yeah, I see it. I think it will work. Oh no, I just remembered. Oh my god. So, actually, let's just remove that. How about we make this 4.5? That's good. So then I'm gonna add over here. There's gonna be another one. Or actually, no. This is where the winding mechanism is gonna be, right? So let's see. So it will be on that side and on that side. Okay, this is really hard. Hmm. I don't know how I'm gonna attach the wires to it though. I cannot knot it onto it. I've been thinking of using a screw, but like I don't really know how I would do that. Or maybe that's too much in size. So I got an idea, so let's just take this out of the way. So I'm imagining this shape right here. Then we have a hole here. We have a hole up here. So this will be the winch. Of course, we'll have this whole thing so the rope actually holds inside of it. But so you stick the wire through here, right? And I'm thinking that I'm using a whole wire for both of these. So I only have to mount one. And then on top, we can have a screw, which then screws down on top of it, so it's friction on it and it can't move. And that will keep it in that position. But what I'm thinking also is I'm gonna have like a whole freaking rod going through this also, you know, because we're gonna have two of these winches, right? Because remember, there's also a top part. This whole thing, this is the bottom part. This is the bottom part for it. And then we'll have another one on top, which will also be able to wind up, right? So basically we'll have to... Oh yeah, wait. I'm gonna have to... I think I'm gonna do kind of the same for the other part. First, let me wait. I think one of the... Yeah, wait. Hold up. Where is my screwdriver? Here it is. So let me just stick a wire through here. You guys can't see right now, but I'm gonna try this. Right. But I got the wire through there now. Okay, nope, that did not work. Let's try it again. Actually, maybe I need to take from my power drill. Because I think it has magnets on it. That's the wrong size. Okay, why did I have to put all of these mounts so freaking hard on? There we go. Yeah, that's gonna stick on top of there. Let's just get the wire. Okay. Get in there, you stupid wire. There we go. Maybe I should have used the screwdriver for this. So this should be, yeah, wait. So let me just let's see if I can switch out the camera. So I got the wire through here connected on here. It's hard to see, I know. Let's see, can I get my hand off the way? Yeah, you can see the wire there. And I'm dragging really hard on it right now. And it's not budging. So that's very good. We know it works. So I'm figuring I'm gonna use the same tactic on here for the endo, like I'm doing here. And yeah, that's also what we're gonna use for the winch, mechanism, or like the whole winch. So we got all of those done now. Now let's actually do this. And also, I don't know, how do I do here? Because you know, actually, I got an idea. So my idea is that instead of having, like, we're gonna have this whole thing, right? But then on the bottom and the top of it, we're gonna have this stick out. But then we're gonna have the actual rod, or like the winch, be in this thickness. So when you then assemble the two parts together, these will stop this from getting out of the way, so we can just then have this go woo all the way to the top and then woo to the other part where it's gonna use the winch. But I'm also gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna use the gear mechanism, because then like around over here I'm gonna have a gear mechanism, so the gear will be like that, and then other gear will be like that. Then we'll have like a whole winch mechanism, like, or like the actual tool which you wind the spring locks up with will have over here. Because I don't think it's gonna be good if we have it on the backside, because then one wire is gonna be longer than the other. Let's, where did the screw go? And I'm also quite stupid, I did not change it to this perspective, or this, whatever you call it. The screw thickness is 5 millimeters. That would be approximately like bigger than this. So if think of, instead of having it being on top here, because it's gonna be going up here, I'm gonna have it on the bottom, because otherwise I would have to make the whole inside of the rod air, like it's not gonna be fully printed inside of it. But no, I got a different solution now, so that's good. Let's see, so you're right, the thickness of it, let me just take the thickness of this, 2.85. There we go. Okay, right now we gotta make a circular pattern for this. Or it wouldn't make sense to do for this. I'm just gonna do it over here. Was 2.85? Yeah, it was. Almost forgot. Let's make a circular pattern. Let's see, so okay, wait, never mind. I just remembered. Maybe I should just start out by here. .45 degrees. Okay, I almost forgot to make that. So 45 degrees. Then right there. 2.85. Now I can make a circular pattern. Or no, it's in those corners. But then when I do 8, it gets weird. I'm just gonna make it 4. Like that. Then I'm gonna do the same thing as I did over there. How? Oh wait, I think I did that wrong. Yeah. .85. Then I'll do the same thing over here. 2.85. Then yeah, I think I'm gonna add another one over here. Just to make it symmetrical. There we go. So wait, is this? That's one. Yeah, it's right. So let's extrude that. Just make sure everything is right. And that was in the way too. Let's see. So I don't think it has to be that thick. Let me check. There's a screw again. It's like almost 1 centimeter. So 2.5. No, that seems a bit too small. Make it 3. Now we're at 3. That's 6. And yeah, that seems good. Let's double check. Yep. Wait, never mind. I missed spot. There we go. So then we have that. Oh wait, I just remembered. Wait, so let's move this. And that's 2. And then yeah, so around like that big, like that area is where it's supposed to be, and then let's just make a copy. Move this 4. No wait, it should be 8, right? No, it's 6. No, 7. Oh yeah, right, because 2 plus. Yeah. So that's probably like how it's gonna be, like how big it's gonna be. But yeah, I can see here it's gonna hit into it, but I'm gonna make that small because I think the actual screw can be further in. So I'm gonna check that. But, so I'm gonna have like a bar that goes down here to connect to those, which has the springs. But also I just remembered, when it's coiled back later, that means there's gonna be force both here and there, so that means it will probably start bending a bit that way. How can I fix that? Probably by making it thicker, but that would make it more heavier. And that's not the biggest problem right now. Biggest problem is right here. So let's think here. Oh wait, yeah, right. Oh wait, no, it will work. So let's. Can I make a sketch on top of? No. So let's make this thing actually come true. Oh wait, I just remembered. No, we did do it wrong. Yeah. So we made this right, but that's gonna be a screw hole. The actual size will be this because it's gonna be a solid part that goes through. Oh my god. I'm bad, I'm kidding. But that also gives another thing. Like, okay, I usually have to do this like all the time. Let's see, so we'll take a look here to there. That's half a millimeter. That feels like it's gonna break. I think just to be sure. Let's see, so that's 4. That's half. So I think like 1. Now you know what? 2 millimeters. That's good, alright. Wait. No, will it though? Because I just noticed it's not like gonna collide with these. I'm pretty sure it is. Oh yeah, what the hell? Remember, these part like, is gonna be cut like that. You know what? Um, let me see. So, okay, I'm gonna make it itty bitty bigger, just because it's gonna help with something. So there we go. Let's extrude this by 3. It is much more thicker now over here, which makes me much more happier. Okay, that sounded very gay, but it was not intentional. Just remember that. Let's see, 37, 36, 35. That should be, yeah, right, yeah. And then let's create a copy. Move this up by 7. Oh yeah, right. I almost forget. Let me just make sure this isn't. Yes, for diameters. Okay, that's good. That's good. Right? So you see, yeah, this is gonna be hitting on top of that. So what I'm gonna be doing now is I'm gonna hide these two. I'm gonna extrude those. Let's see. 1.5. Yeah, that seems to be good. Now let me just try it again. -2, I think. Actually, -3. You don't know the distance between these two is 6.5, which I think that will work. And now let's show those. Let's extrude this by -10. Let's just hide those two. So it should have only extruded on these, and I forgot to do it on those. -3. Let's do that. So now you see those are cut off, but what the hell? Okay, apparently on these areas, -1. Hmm? Just then extrude on here, -1. And that removes it. Great. Now, like, I would say this model is not like perfected. So let's see. So distance between that and this. So that's 3.25. No, 3.2, which is more than enough because the thickness on the actual screw, the top of it, is around like 2.3. No, 3 millimeters. Which means this is gonna work. Hopefully. I'm not saying 100%. But this is really, I wouldn't say convincing, but we'd see promising. Looks promising, and that it's gonna work. But obviously it's gonna be a bit hard with the whole connecting it to that part. But actually I've got an idea. So on the shell, wait, actually no, because I want to be able to wear this as just a exoskeleton, so I can like see all of the inner workings and stuff like that. We've got something going on right now, right? Okay, wait, I actually got an idea now. So I'm gonna make a sketch. Wait, actually no, I have to make a sketch on a different kind of plane, just like this. So I'm gonna start off by doing this. Do it left, do it right. So 2.5 and 5 by 4. Then the middle, we're gonna make the middle bigger, so I think we'll make this 3. Yeah, let me just do this instead. 1.5. There we go. We get 3 and 4. So this is for the hole to the what's called the screw. But now, oh wait, yeah, right, I gotta make a thickness of the wall. Otherwise, it's moving weird. See, so I think I'm just gonna do offset. Okay, no, I can't do that apparently. So let's see how thick. It's gonna be around, have to be a thickness. Okay, wait. I'm gonna make it 0.5. See, that's gonna be negative 0.35, so I'm gonna say, okay, oh my god. negative 0.3, so 1.7. I'm gonna make this 1.5. Actually 1.25. There we go, and then we'll just do that. Then bam. It should be done. Let me just add a fillet on between those. Okay, wait. Maybe it's not the same on a 2D plane. So let's make this 0.5. I bet this won't like do any difference. Well, that's something. It looks good. But now we can finish the sketch, and then we're gonna let's just hide the bottom, the meshes, or what you would call it. But then we can select the axis on there. Let me show everything like that. And we can see here in the middle. So this is how it turns out. I'm gonna try and 3D print this right now, I think. But let me try something. So let's move a point to point. Search that. Select the origin point. So I want to select the middle there. Approximately the middle. Okay, that doesn't work. Can I not do it? Point. Now let's select this. Okay, why won't it work? Yeah. See, so point to point. So if we select that, then we select this, it should, there we go. It moves to that position. And obviously we'll have a lot more of those. But this is just a test. Like, no, you know. This whole thing is not a prototype of, obviously it's gonna be the official thing. But this it looks like it will work. So I think I'll hide every single other mesh. Let's just, okay, wait, let's not save just yet because, yeah. See, I'm gonna call it a bearing just because. There we go. Let's open up this. We got off the stuff on this screen. Hold up. Nope. I don't want to open up that one. Put that one in there. Oh, this is actually gonna be really small. Let's go into preview. Okay, that's gonna be very small. It's only gonna take a freaking 37 seconds. Okay. I think I'll try 3D printing them. A finger to when it comes to being killed. Edit. Clone. Just there we go. Got them right next to turn. Let's see. 110. Let's see. Okay, this is gonna take 1 minute and nope, we're gonna put this at 1.5. Just add support, please. Nope. Sure, that's not gonna work. Just gonna put them on the bottom. Land printing. Confirm. Let's do one-click printing and there, it's making weird sounds. Oh, this string doesn't fall off. Happen again and again and again. I'm coming from below, I'm driving. No, my finger too when it comes to being killed. I don't want it to happen again and again and again. Wait, is my headphones dead? Let's see, where is it? There's my charger. Oh, it works now. Okay, I guess the print is gonna take some time just because it has to calibrate the height and position stuff. Whoops. Wait, you're right. There it is. Maybe I should remove the screw, like the wire from this whole thing. Okay. The freaking screw did apparently sit on tight. Can you just really tell because using a screwdriver just makes it super easy. Let's see, so that yeah, I can be dragged out. No, so that's good. Yes, I can wear it with the friction that locks it. But yeah, it's not a very good idea though. But you can use the screws that holds on the end to the rod to get more friction, which I usually do, but not a lot because I don't want to break it or anything. Oh, well, look at that. The 3D print is already done, apparently. Whoa, that's crazy. And oh my god, those are so freaking small. Holy moly. Oh my god, oh my goodness, oh my damn. You'd be thinking, it's gonna be relatively big, right? But no, look at this. You see how small those are? Oh my god. It's gonna be a bit scary now. I don't want it to break. Okay, got the general shape, right? Wherever you should torture, you can comprehend. Okay, it's been off. It's basically off now. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't really fit inside of the where the screw doesn't really fit inside of it that well, I would say. But I mean, we could make the hole a bit bigger. But really, actually, if you force the screw through it, it's gonna work. But really, I would say it's better if I just make the hole bigger. Just like really, it is pretty strong. I don't think it's gonna break, so. But I'm gonna say that's it for now. I know it's not a lot we did, but we did actually um make the we fix a lot of problems. Uh, let me just show the screen. So we fixed this part, and we fixed this part. Let me see. There, we fixed that part. And actually, I got to make a hole through there now. Oh wait, no, never mind. It's just that part. There we go. And we got these pieces made. We fixed this, so it will actually work. And we also made the like bearings for like the winding mechanism. So I think we did pretty much enough today. But obviously, I think maybe I will continue tomorrow. Maybe on Monday instead. Wait, actually, what day is it? What? It's a Sunday? Okay, maybe a Tuesday instead. But anyways, I'm head out. Hopefully you guys. Okay, now I don't want to say hopefully you guys come back for more because that's gonna sound like I'm farming views or something, but hopefully I get to see more viewers for next one. So peace out.